Hello again, I'm Asia and welcome to GrillBuff.com. Looking for a high-quality, top-of-the-line barbecue grill or smoker? Look no further. We are the internet's guide to the most comprehensive grill and smoker reviews. Each review includes an intro, product features, pros and cons, what others are saying with a star rating, and our conclusion. For your convenience, a link will be provided to see the current price. On this page, we have listed the top-rated high-end grills. These units can deliver top cooking performance, have the latest in cooking electronic technology, consist of the best, most durable material for long-term use, and they usually are backed with exceptional warranties. If you're serious about your outdoor barbecuing and want top-notch quality with the best warranty around, we suggest you go with a high-end grill. To get started, simply scroll down just below this video to our comparison table. If you see one that sparks your interest, click on it for more product information and a full review. If you're on a mobile device, just click on the little round green button. Happy grilling!